Hello class 6th, you all are welcome back again in your science class. Hope you all are doing good and you all are revising your chapters properly. In today's class, we are going to study chapter number 13, waste management. So this will be the last chapter from your book, waste management. So let us read about the introduction given in the chapter. Here we have compost. So decomposed organic material that is produced when bacteria in soil break down garbage and biodegradable trash, making organic fertilizers. So making compost required turning and mixing and exposing the materials to air. Gardeners and farmers use compost for soil enrichment. Next, we have composting. So the activity of breaking down plants and animal materials using microorganisms under aerobic conditions. For successful composting, there must be sufficient water and air to allow the microorganisms to break down the material, and the compost should reach and maintain a warm temperature. Then we have deposing, so the act of means of getting rid of something, and fertilizers, the material put on the soil to improve the quality and quantity of plant growth. बच्चों, जैसे हम हर चीज का मैनेजमेंट करते हैं वैसे ही हमें वेस्ट का मैनेजमेंट करना भी बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है, क्योंकि अगर हम वेस्ट का मैनेजमेंट नहीं करेंगे तो लैंड पोल्यूशन जो है वो इंक्रीज हो जाएगी. So here we have the introduction in our day-to-day activities. बच्चों, आमतौर की जिंदगी पे we generate so much garbage. हम जो है बहुत ज्यादा कचरा हमसे होता है बच्चों, क्योंकि हमारे वेस्टेज होते हैं, हमारे किचन वेस्ट है, हाउस होल्ड वेस्ट है, हमारे सीवर से जो वेस्ट होते हैं. So daily throw out the trash, rubbish or garbage from our house, schools, shops and offices. So these garbage include, बहुत सारे एक गार्बेज जो है वो इंक्लूड करते हैं, बहुत सारे ग्रेन्स है, पल्सेस है, बिस्किट्स है, मिल्क है. बच्चों, कूड़े में तो बहुत सारे कूड़े आते हैं, वो इडिबल कूड़े भी जो हम लोग इडिबल खाते हैं, जैसे कि हमने फ्रूट्स खाए तो उसके पील्स हैं, या हमने कोई रैपर्स पैकेट वाली चीज खाई, कोई चिप्स खाया उसके पील्स हैं, प्लास्टिक्स के पील्स हैं. जो कूड़े हैं वो बहुत प्रकार के होते हैं. सो ऑल दिस रैपिंग मटेरियल गो आउट एज अ गार्बेज. द मोस्ट कॉमन बाय प्रोडक्ट ऑफ अवर एवरीडे लाइफ इज व्हाट वी थ्रो अवे. So we sometimes buy these things are rarely used, only to throw out in the garbage and often thrown into the garbage. And we also throw many domestic waste. बहुत सारे domestic waste हैं, जैसे कि broken toys है, टूटा हुआ खिलौना है, पुराने कपड़े हैं, shoes and slippers है, वो भी हम garbage में फेंक देते हैं. There are so many questions which get answered in this chapter, like इन कूड़ों का क्या होता है जब हम गार्बेज को अपने घर से निकालते हैं, उनसे क्या होता है बच्चों. हाउ डू यू थिंक दिस विल हार्म अस. और अगर कूड़े को हमने सही से डिकम्पोज नहीं किया, उसको सही से ठिकाने नहीं लगाया, तो क्या हो सकता है. यू मस्ट हैव सीन म्युनिसिपैलिटी वैन्स द गार्बेज from the bins. Where does the garbage go and what happened to it? Now it is possible for all this garbage to be changed into something that will not harm us. Can we contribute towards this in any way? Now, how to deal with the garbage? Garbage के साथ कैसे deal करें? Landfill. So in a place where these सफाई कर्मचारी collect garbage in trucks and take it to a low-lying ओपन एरिया. ठीक है बच्चों, जो सफाई कर्मचारी जो भी गार्बेज होता है, जो भी कूड़ा कबाड़ होता है, वो कहाँ लाके लैंडफिल में लाके डालते हैं. देयर इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ सेपरेटिंग द पार्ट्स. अब वहां जो पार्ट्स है गार्बेज उन्हें सेपरेट किया जाता है. वंस द लैंडफिल इज कंप्लीटली फुल, इट इज यूजुअली कन्वर्टेड इनटू पार्क और प्लेग्राउंड फॉर नेक्स्ट 20 years और सो ऑन. वहां कोई भी बिल्डिंग नहीं बनाई जाती है. टू डील विद सम ऑफ द यूजफुल कंपोनेंट ऑफ गार्बेज, कंपोस्ट मेकिंग एरियाज आर डेवलप्ड नियर द लैंडफिल. Next, we have what is compost. Now, let us learn about it from the following activity. So, is there someone garbage that is not actually garbage in the landfill? Here we have activity which you have to perform. Now, what happened to the garbage heaps? बच्चों, garbage heaps के साथ क्या होता है? Do not forget to write in your notebook about any observation you make. Do not remove and burn the garbage that did not rot. If you want to provide nutrients to the plant, आप क्या कर सकते हैं? The garbage was found to the rot completely and did not smell. Mix it with soil where you sow your favorite plants. ऐसा करने के बाद, इस एक्टिविटी को करने के बाद आप ऑब्जर्व करेंगे दैट द गार्बेज सम थिंग्स आर रोटन, सो दे फॉर्म मैन्योर. वो एक खाद बन जाते हैं बच्चों. कन्वर्जन ऑफ सम मटेरियल्स इनटू मैन्योर इज कॉल्ड कंपोस्टिंग. म्युनिसिपैलिटी प्रोवाइड करती है ब्लू और ग्रीन कलर की डस्टबिन, दो तरह के कूड़े को बच्चों बटोरने के लिए. द ब्लू बिन किस लिए होता है? इट कैन बी फॉर रीजनरेटेड सच एज प्लास्टिक्स, मेटल एंड ग्लास. Did you notice that these are the materials that do not rot in the garbage heap? Next, we have the green bins. They are the collecting kitchen and other parts of the waste. Then we have, you may have noticed that this type of waste rot completely when buried in the soil. Do you see heaps of dried leaves on the roadside? क्या आप dried leaves की heaps को देख सकते हैं road side पे? क्योंकि most of the time they are burned, उनको ज्यादातर जला दिया जाता है. Burning of husk, dried leaves and a part of garbage heap after harvesting produce smoke and gases, and that are harmful to our health. These waste could be converted into useful compost. Then we have very important the vermicomposting. ये कौन सा process होता है बच्चों? So now we must realize that we can be friend of plants by supplying them with the compost. We will also be very good friends to ourselves by making compost. आपको क्या करना है? Now dry it in the sun of for few hours. Now you have to put some wastage as food in one corner of the pit. Now most of the worm will shift towards that part. बहुत सारे जो worms होते हैं, केचुए होते हैं बच्चों उन कूड़ों के गंदगी के पास जाते हैं, vacating the other parts, बाकी parts को खाली करके, and the parts left in the pit has the most worm in it. अब आपको क्या करना है बच्चों? You can use these preparing more compost or share them with another use. You can use this excellent vermicompost in your pots, garden or field, and it is not like getting the best out of the waste. It is the way you can save a lot of money that is spent on buying expensive chemical fertilizers, because these worms are going to perform the work of fertilizers. क्या आपको पता है farmer क्या बोलते हैं earthworm को? Earthworm को वो अपना best friend बोलते हैं. One more new things to know that the red worm is a type of earthworm which is used for composting. This method is preparing compost with the help of red worm is called vermicomposting. Even at school, we can try to make manure by vermicomposting. Now, red worms feel very comfortable in the pit, which is neither too cold nor too hot, and that place does not get direct sunlight. Now, let us dig the pit. हमें गड्ढा खोदना चाहिए बच्चों 30 centimeter deep down if you want to experiment this vermicomposting process. What you have to do, you have to dig a pit. Let us now make a comfortable home for our red worms in the pit or the box. Now what you have to do is spread a net or a chicken mesh at the bottom of this pit or the box, and you can also spread 1 or 2 centimeter thick layer of sand as an alternative. Now spread some vegetable waste including peels of the fruits over this layer of sand. अब क्या करना है? One can use green leaves, pieces or dried stalks of plant husk. ये सारे गार्बेज जो है वो हम उसमें डाल सकते हैं. However, the shiny or plastic paper should not be used for this purpose. अब आपको क्या करना है? Dried animal dung आप इसमें अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. You can apply all over here. Now sprinkle some water, make this layer wet. इस लेयर को आप हल्का सा भिगा सकते हैं. Take care not to use excess of water. ज्यादा पानी का प्रयोग नहीं करना है. Do not press the layer of waste. आपको ज्यादा दबाव भी नहीं देना है वेस्ट की लेयर्स पे. आपको क्या करना है? Now you have to buy some red worm and put them in your pit. Now cover them loosely with an old sheet of a cloth or layer of grass. अब आपको क्या करना है? Give them a vegetable waste, coffee, tea remains, weeds from the fields of garden. Bury this about 2 centimeter inside the pit and make comfortable to get their food. अब आपको क्या करना है? Do not use waste that may contain salt, pickle, oil, vinegar. So इस तरह के waste आपको नहीं डालने हैं. If you put these things in a pit, अगर आप ये डालेंगे तो बच्चों तो disease हो जाएगी small organisms को, that will be start growing in a pit. Once in a few days, आपको gently mix करना है to the top of a layer of your pit. Now, red worms need moisture around them. If you want to double the number of worms in a month, then just take care of their surroundings. Now, after checking, caring of red worms home for 3 to 4 weeks regularly, then you see the result as loose, soil-like material in the pit. Then you can say that your vermicompost is ready. Then we have think and throw. Now, how much of a garbage do you think is thrown out by every house every day? आपको क्या लगता है कि हर घर से कितना amount of garbage जो है वो हर दिन फेंका जाता है? Now you can make an estimate by using a bucket as a measure. Use 5 to 10 liters bucket to collect the garbage from your home for a dump few days. तब आपको आइडिया हो जाएगा कि बाकी घर के लोग कितना ज्यादा garbage throw कर रहे हैं. Now here we have recycling of paper. So recycling of paper will be require pieces of old newspaper, magazine, used envelopes, notebooks or any other paper. Now what you have to do, you have to take a tub or a bucket and tear the paper into small pieces. अब आपको क्या करना है? उसको टब में pour कर देना है. Now let the pieces paper of remain submerged. उनको दिन भर के लिए पानी में डूबे रहने दीजिएगा. उसके बाद आपको एक thick paste बनाना है. Now spread the waste paper on the wire mesh fixed to frame. अब आपको क्या करना है, आपको उसको पैड धीमे से अच्छे से सेट करना है एंड आपको वेट करना है जब तक वाटर जो है उसमें से पूरी तरह से निकल नहीं जाता. इफ रिक्वायर स्प्रेड ऑन old clothes or sheet newspaper on the paste to let it soak up the extra water. Now आपको क्या करना है, you have to take the newspaper and carefully remove the layer of the paste from the frame, spread it on sheet newspaper in the sun. अब आपको क्या करना है, you have to keep that sheet pressed in the corner and putting some weight so that do not curl up. To get recycled paper with the beautiful patterns, आप क्या कर सकते हैं, आप उसमें कुछ food color भी add कर सकते हैं. Now there is one more question which do not get answer yet, that can we recycle everything? क्या हम सब चीज recycle कर सकते हैं? No, we can't recycle all the things. So here we have plastics. Nowadays plastic जो है वो बहुत ही ज्यादा important role play करते हैं हमारे life में. So it may be a little difficult to imagine our life without plastic. Without plastic we can't imagine our life. So here we have some items of plastics: toys, shoes, bags, pens, combs, toothbrushes, bucket, bottle and water pipes, and the list is very long. So there are only few kind of plastics which can be recycled, but not all of them. That polythene bags and some plastics did not rot. Do you know, क्या आपको पता है कि polythene bags जो है वो create करते हैं एक बहुत बड़ी problem in the disposal of garbage. Now we use store cooked food items, keeping eatables and consuming food in the such plastic bags that is very much harmful to our health. So we should avoid using plastic bags. Sometimes bags collected by rag pickers are also used for washing them. Use of such recycle for storing eatables. We must insist on use of plastic bags that are approved for such a use. Now, many health problems may be caused with the harmful gas that are released on burning or heating plastic substance. Now here we have, आप क्या कर सकते हैं, आप देख सकते हैं बच्चों, रोड पे and other places the plastic bags are thrown away carelessly and that is consumed by animal that is polluting our land. So बच्चों हम कैसे लिमिट कर सकते हैं यूज प्लास्टिक बैग्स का? वी मस्ट make minimum use of plastic bags. We insist shopkeepers use paper bags. We carry cloth, a jute bag when we go out for shopping. We must not use plastic bags to store eatables. We must not throw plastic bags here and there after use waste. We never burn plastic bags or other plastic items. So there are some of the things which is given that we should avoid plastic. Our government of India is also trying banning some of the items that constitute plastics. So instead of using plastic bags, we should prefer using the clothes or the cotton bags, or we can use paper bags as well. So that's all about this chapter. So your today's homework is to perform activities which is given in your book. Now let us read some of the summarizing point from the chapter. We need to generate less waste. हमें कोशिश करनी चाहिए कि हम कम से कम वेस्ट को बच्चों जनरेट करें, because as I hope you are aware of 3R, reduce, recycle and reuse. So follow that process. And then we have the matter of making compost from kitchen garbage. जो kitchen garbage है उससे हम वर्मी composting का एक process create कर सकते हैं. That will be very fertile for our land. Now landfill एक ऐसा एरिया है जहां जितने भी गार्बेज होते हैं वो कलेक्ट होके वहां डंप कर दिए जाते हैं. पेपर जो है उसको रिसाइकिल कर दिया जाता है. So we get useful products. That's all for this class. Now I'll be seeing you in another science class. Till then, revise this chapter properly and take care of yourself. Thank you so much. Bye bye.